Good evening. This is the today we start the Revit Structure class. This is the Revit 2026. This is the after open this just like this interface Revit 2026. This is the model. As the model is the two option is the available is the open and new option. Open, what is the open? If you are already get the Revit file, then you create this, then opens. But currently we are the fresher, then we start the new options. This is the two option as the Revit 2026 Imperial multidiscipline metric multidisciplines. But we are structures, then we are the structural analysis default options. This file to be RTE. This is the new for Revit structure versions. Then either opens, create new projects. This is like to the Revit interface. After this interface, you want to background as the white color. If you want, then you start is the file options, then options, colors, darks to lights, then okay. This is the white background is available. So this is the Revit interface. This is the architecture, wall, door, window, component, columns, roof. All these items is like to be architectures. This is the Revit structures, beam, wall, column, floor. This is the steel structures where we will be using truss, brace, beam is the upcoming classes I will show. This is the some connection, isolated fitting, wall, slab. This is the river mean reinforcement. This is the river couplers, model text, grids. This is the planes. As the steels is to be, this is the bolt option, how to place a bolt, weld, corner cut is to be. And this is the mostly interface, and this is the properties browsers, and this is the scales. As this model is to be size is too big, then we as per scale we provided as the drawing sheets. This is the some level structural plan, level 1, level 2 as this floor plan. Level is equal to the floor plans. This is the elevation likes east, north, every city. This is the legend is the all of this we study in upcoming classes. This is the some option is Revit. All of these cover to be upcoming classes. This is the today's your class 1. So today class is only Revit interface, Revit structure interface. This is the dimension, all of these to be as per Revit 2026. After if you create this file, then if you want to save this file, then you are the go to file option as a save options or control plus S as this folder which area you to be saves. I to project 2. This is the options. This option is the maximum how many files you will be save your folders. If you want 10, this is the 10s, but currently I want two files. One is permanent and 2 is backup files. Then you have to be okay. Then save option is your Revit model is completed. I think one and thing, this is as per save option, everything you know. This is to be like to be save as projects. Okay, this format is always to be so if your model is Revit model is always shown .rvt formats, not .rt something like this. Always 7.rvt format. This is your project interface. This is the 2D views. This is the like zoom option is the available. All are covered in upcoming classes. So today is your only Revit introductions. These all are things how to create all of these. It will be shown in upcoming classes. Okay guys, thank you.